Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. All right, let's get straight to it. We are unboxing today the Ping G430 10K Max driver. Now this driver is a whopping $600, and while I've only used it for a few rounds so far, I will say that it does actually pay off. Now, I typically drive around 170 to 200, and with this driver, I was driving consistently upper at the 200 end of that range. Now, I did get fitted for this club, and as you can see, I chose the 10.5 loft, which I believe is the standard loft, the regular length, and the regular flex. Now, you can choose to get a senior flex shaft or a more stiff shaft, and genuinely you can get any shaft you want under the sun. Now originally I was torn between the 9 degree and the 10.5 degree. The 12 degree is going to be a little easier to hit it higher up. The 10.5 is going to be standard, and the 9 is going to take away some of that height. Now I did play around with the 9, and I felt like the 9 took away some of the height, but it also took away some of the distance. And I was told that if you are hitting generally the same quality with the 9 and the 10.5, it's probably a better bet to just go with the 10.5. Now, of course, I am not a pro, so please take this with a grain of salt, and if you have any hesitations, please go ahead and get fitted. It was a really great experience. It was pretty informal, and if you're dropping $600 on a driver, somebody in the store will definitely have you hit a few and help you out. Now, my driver actually came with this topper on at the end of the golf club. It says get free Arco sensors, which I believe you can register online, and it will actually track how well you're hitting the ball. Now, I have not registered that, but if somebody has and you want to share your experience, go ahead and leave some comments below. Other than that, I will just say that holding this driver is so inspiring, and it just made me feel really good. I am a strong believer that if you feel good, you're going to perform better, and this is the tool for me. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.